I want to show you how to reduce the CPU load of FL Studio 26 in just 2 moves. So let's jump in it. First of all, if you delete an audio file from your playlist, now we have 2 here. And I want to delete them. 1, 2. You see, we still have them here. So even if you delete them from here, they're still taking up space, CPU space. Now this is where I can look at my CPU load. This is the hint panel, look at it. Any place I point now, it will show, the name will show in this hint panel. That's something extra you can learn. It's written here, hint panel. And then come here. It says draw to, come here. It says snap to grade. I see the names from the hint panel. Now I want to come here, CPU load. So the CPU load is about 10. Ctrl Z. CPU load is still about 10. I remove them. Still about 10. The WAV file is still here. So how do I remove it? Now in other versions of FL, I have a video on that. It's similar, but it's in a different place. Now when you come to tools, you see microbes here in older versions of FL. But now microbes are on their own. Like you just come to tools, you see microbes on this side. So what you need to do, look at these 2 points here. Look at them. Just look at them. Keep your eye on them as I do this. Purge unused audio clips. Now this way you click. Now you watch here, watch here, watch here. What will happen? 2 of them disappear. That is one thing you can do to reduce your load on your CPU. Then number 2 thing you can do, you come to the same tools, go to microbes. Then go to switch smart disable for all plugins. It's still at 10, but believe me, when you have lots of WAV file on your project and you do purge unused audio clip, it really helps. So switch smart disable for all plugins is also another great one. So I'll click on it now. Look at it. The CPU load came from 10 to 3. Look at that. See, it works. This is more than 50% reduction in CPU load. Up to 70% reduction in my CPU load. What it does is that when plugins are idle or they are not processing active audio, this switch smart disable for all plugins, it stops the plugin from using CPU power in FL Studio. This is a very important feature that if you're using big project and your computer is something to worry about, this is a very useful stuff right here. I have a video for older version. I'll leave it in the video card. You can check it out. Leave comments if it's helpful. Comments are like giving me $1 million. It's so much motivation to see somebody comment on my video. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when we drop new videos. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it.